Yo, what's up YouTube? Let's dive right into this VIX75 breakdown video. So what we can see on the volatility 75, guys, it's currently breaking out of this channel. As you guys can see, we did currently break out of this ascending correction channel. As you guys can see, we are currently now creating higher lows, right? It's a high low, and we're still expecting for a new high. So what does we expect once price create a new high? We're expecting a high low. So what we can currently see right now, we're trading here on the previous area of resistance, as you guys can see right here and right there. So now we can see we have this trend line right here as well. That's where price did respect multiple times before we started to break out of this reason. So now we can see we have this impulsive phase here to the upside. So we can currently see we're currently trading at this our previous higher high, so we can expect still some downwards move if we jump into our 1 hour time frame just to see our overall market structure and behavior, guys. So we will see basically price is basically ranging right now. So one thing about the volatility markets, if you're trading it for a while, guys, you would know it's not the best to trade it once price is ranging. So what I will wait right now, guys, is wait for price to break under retest and then wait for price to come back to our previous trend line, as you guys can see, because right previously price did respect this trend line multiple times. So we can expect price to come bounce back into this zone right here. Let's just wait for this thing to hold, to load quickly, right? We will take price all the way to the upside, but I'm really positive of this market because our daily time frame is already in this impulsive phase here to the upside. So now it's just all about being patient and waiting for the right opportunity. I know a lot of you guys are so eager to take trading opportunities and want to be in trades, but that is not what I'm basically doing. I'm really patient because the market will humble you. What's going on right now? Why does this thing take so long to load right now? It's Sunday, guys. It's Sunday and we're still making money. You can go check out my groups. We are eating every single day, guys. We are eating every single day. If you want to check us out as well, guys, I have a free group. As you guys can see, I have a free group. You guys can just check it out. I just gave you guys free, right? But yeah, let's continue on with this video. So as you guys can see right now, I also have this daily order block right here. If price want to come a bit lower into this zone right here, it is a daily order block. Then we can expect price here to run to the upside, because as you can see previously we have this huge of a daily candle right here, and then before price decided to head it up after it broke this previous market structure reason right here. So you guys can see it did break out of structure because price was just basically in the range, and then price did break above this previous high and then create this new high, and then price spike into this daily time frame order block, and then you guys can see price just rally here to the upside. So that is what I will wait for as well. Wait for price to come either into this zone. Sorry, what I'm doing there. Either wait for price to come back into this zone, so you guys can see, wait for price to come back into this zone, this red line. And if you don't have this red line, guys, you can just copy this, what I basically draw in this thing. You can just basically copy my trend line and just wait for it for price to come into this trend line, or wait for price, if price decided to break above under this reason right here, guys, you guys can just get into this trade once price coming to this reason right here. So like I told you guys, there's no rush into the market. We're gonna wait for our higher low in this market before we're gonna execute on this trade, guys. So this is it for this video. So tell me in the comments what you guys expect. So if you guys got value from this video, hit that subscribe button and hit that like button. And if you guys want to see some live trading with my VIPs, let me know in the comments down below. It's your boy FXGK, and I'm out.